welcome to my today's tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll train on Java Booleans. So this is Booleans. So we'll discuss what are Booleans. We'll also give an example. So this is just a very short tutorial of today. So then for the references in our website, you can just check the description part. Right now, guys, if you are just new into this channel, remember to subscribe, like and share. All right, now Boolean in Java are just expressions that returns Boolean values which are either true or false. Right now, as we were discussing in a previous tutorial, when discussed about strings, so if you have not watched our tutorial on string, you can watch. Now we'll have an example of this sort. Whereby we'll have now to, this is a Boolean, right? Then is Python easy, so this is just this is something like variable name. So this is just a variable name. Is Python easy, so this is just a variable. Then true. The other one you can have is Python add, then it says false, so you can have what, right? Let's have here below. Okay, now this is what hard. All right, you can just change this one to hard, then you can just change this one to false. All right, is Python hard, then you thought that this false, so this you can either have either true or false. Now we'll have to switch to our NetBeans to see how we go for it. Now here you'll need now to create a new project. Then this is Java application, and you can have next. Then here, okay, you click Java. Java Booleans, so you can leave your group ID as that and click on finish. Right, now you see your project file is created, so you click on the plus sign there. You then on your source package you right click and you click on Java class. Right, then you click on main. Can have it as main. Then for the package you need to choose, and you can choose the two package, then you click on finish. Right, finally this is printed out. The basic stance for writing your Java program is right. So these are just comments, you can just have them. Then here you'll have now PCM, then you click on tab. All right, and this is S out, then you click tab key. So you can make any suggestion, you can write. Now you can print your program. Now in between here you need now to write, this is a Boolean, this is a Boolean. Right, then the Boolean is given a value of is Python add, then you give it a value of false. Right, give it a value of false. Right, now in between here you'll need now to print out this one. Right, so this is what you're printing out here. right? Is Python hard? So just click on save, then you click on run. So now here you select main class. Finally, false is printed out. So this one is printed out. All right. Now that's just an example. So as well, you can just have it. You can have variables. You can define variables. Let's say int x is equals to something like 300. Then we'll have int y which is 400. All right. Now here in between here you can just print x greater than y. Okay, sorry, this we have an equal sign there. All right, in between your print line here in your bracket, you can print x greater than y, right? Now just by the looks, x is less and the y is great, so x is greater than y, so it should print what? False. All right, it should print out what? False. So you can save your work, then you click on run. You see, finally false is printed out. All right, now you can also have something else like not equal. So this one is used to show not equal. They are not equal. So you save your work. So as you can see, x and y are not equal. All right, so you click here run. Then finally true is printed out. All right, now you can have something else like, let's change this one to something else like 700, and this is 400. Then this is equal. You can have equal. So that's x equal to y, false. It's wrong. So when you save your work and run, then we expect false to be printed out. You see, now false is printed out because x does not equal to y. All right, so that's all about booleans in Java. So you can practice more and more. You can use other variables like double, float to do calculation. You can also use if-else statements to show the sum. Right, now in our next tutorial we'll discuss in if-else statements. So remember to tune in our next tutorial. Just subscribe, like and share our videos, and let's meet in our next tutorial. Thank you.